I am Miss Writer. Welcome to our Writers Workshops class and that we're starting today. So let's begin. Before we start our first Writers Workshop lesson, we're going to set up some rules and some important things that you need to know. First, to become writers, we need to always feel confident. Trust yourself. You are all able to be writers. We are all able to be writers. Always look for a comfortable place to work. You might work maybe sitting on the floor. Maybe you may sit on a table. But the most important thing is that you feel comfortable and try to have, if you want some music, or maybe you just need silence. It's very important that you use a lead pencil and an eraser. Because if you make a mistake, that we all make mistakes because we learn from mistakes, you can erase them. Use your English copybook, the blue one, the notebook, in the writing section. And always make good use of spelling. This means use capital letters, use commas, periods, question marks, exclamation marks, and check if your spelling is written correctly. Let's begin with our first mini lesson. Today's teaching point is that writers generate ideas from their heart. Do you know how writers write those beautiful texts that we know? By touching their hearts. Yes, writers generate ideas by thinking about important things that come from their hearts. So, what I did is that I drew a heart and I divided it in 3 parts. And I wrote people, places, and events. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to think about important people, places, and events that happened to me in my life. Pause the video and think for a while. Okay, these were my thoughts, the ones that I wrote. For me, important people are my daughters, my dog, my mom, and my grandmother. Important places for me are my house, the school, and my Tencillo, the beach. And for me, the most important event in my life was when my daughters were born. Okay, writers, today we have been learning how writers generate ideas from their heart. And now it's going to be your turn to do it. Follow me and I'll teach you how. Okay, writers, this is my Writers Workshop copybook. And I will teach you how are you going to use yours. The first thing we have to do always is write the date. Today is May 6th. Then you're going to write the teaching point. Writers generate ideas from their heart. And then you may turn your copybook if you want, or if you want, you can do it this way. And you're going to write a beautiful heart, okay, that you are also going to divide it into 3 parts. In one part, you're going to write people. In another, you're going to write places. And in the second one, you're going to write events. Now, I want you to think about at least 2 important people, 2 important places, and 2 important events. Once you have thought about them, take a picture, write them, take a picture, and upload it to Google Classroom. So, my beautiful writers, this is what you need to have in your copybook, okay? Remember the teaching point and the date. And you are going to hand this, you're going to take the picture and hand it in for next Wednesday, Okay, so Mrs. Ryder says goodbye and see you next Wednesday. Goodbye.